Hello, good morning guys. So I'm here right now in LAX. I'm flying to Seattle. Actually, I tried to access, tinry ko po in-access yung Delta Sky Lounge, pero I think may mga changes sila. Kasi hindi ko alam, yung ticket ko, basic economy. So, pila-pila ako doon, thinking na pwede kong ma-access yung lounge. So, when I showed them my boarding pass, sabi ng babae sa akin, "Oh, you cannot access anymore because your ticket is basic economy." Ang sabi ko naman sa kanila, meron akong Delta Reserve. Sabi niya, even if you have the Delta Reserve, you will still gonna be unable to access kasi ayaw niyang gamitin yung word na denied. Actually, I was denied access, but the customer service representative is saying that she is not denying anybody. So, di ba pareho lang yon? Syunga lang. So, what I did was I called Amex about it. Pero binigyan nila ako ng binigyan nila ako ng access, binigyan nila ako ng telephone number to call the Delta mismo. So, nung kinakausap ko na yung customer, one of the customer representative of Delta Airlines, ang sinabi sa akin, dun sa Sky Lounge, Delta Airlines, on the phone, ang sabi sa akin, the reason why I was denied access because wala akong physical card. Tapos sabi niya, she is agreeing with dun sa ground ng mga customer service representative because I don't have the card physically, and one of the requirements for you to have to get an access is for you to get the card physically. So ang dami-daming pumapasok na mga tao doon na wala naman silang reserve card physically. Ang meron lang sila phone access. So ang tinanong ko sa girl, sabi ko sa kanya, the reason why you're denying my access is because I don't have the card physically. Ang sabi niya na naman, hindi daw niya ako dinideny. So, hindi ko matandaan or hindi ko maintindihan kung anong difference ang hindi pagpapasok sa akin sa denial. So, yun na nga, I was denied. Basically, I was really denied access. Yun pala, yung card ko, eligible lang siya kung ang ticket mo yata ay parang main cabin or business class or first class. So, this is the first time that happened to me in Delta Airlines na nag-present ako ng boarding pass pagkatapos I was denied access kasi nga, yung ticket ko ay basic economy lang. So, may nakausap ako ng mga babae doon. They were also denied access for having yung ticket nila is basic economy even if they have the Delta Reserve card. So annual fee kasi ngayon ng Delta Reserve card is already like 650. So one of the reason why I still have that card is for the lounge access. Kasi kung hindi rin naman ako pahihintulutan na magka-access doon sa lounge, ba't pa ako magbabayad ng 650 annually? And then, gusto ko sana kausapin yung ibang customer service. Pero yung Hispanic na guy doon, yung parang napaka-rude niya talaga, napaka-bastos niya. Sabi niya, overdoing something that you don't like. Let's say if I'm doing something that they don't like, sana pala, sinabi niya sa akin. Yung parang napahiya ako, ang hilig talaga nila mamahiya, yung mga Delta Reservice na yan, yung mga Delta people na yan, naiinis ako minsan kasi napaka-bastos talaga nila, napaka-racist nila. Yung parang napahiya ako sa Delta, pero at least nakuha ko yung picture ng guy na, Diyos ko, inis na inis talaga ako sa kanya. So one of the perks for having that is for you to have an access. Pero, nung tinignan ko yung lounge benefits nila doon sa website nila, wala naman nakalagay doon, guys. Ang nakalagay dito, binasa ko pa sa customer service representative, pero sabi nila stricto daw talaga yung mga taga-LA. Naiinis na nga ako, ayoko na sumakay ng Delta. Ayan guys, ayan ayan, dun sa website nila, babasahin mo, pwede kang mag-lounge access, pero it doesn't say na kailangan yung ticket mo main cabin or business class or first class. Ayan, ang nakalagay dito. Delta Sky Club Access. Pamper yourself and enjoy complimentary access to the Delta Sky Club Plus for one-time guest passes each year when you fly Delta so you can share an experience with family and friends. Tapos effective February 1, 2025 na yung reserve card, members will receive 15 visits lang po per year to the Delta Sky Club to earn an unlimited member visit each year starting 2/1/25. Total eligible purchase on the card must equal to 75,000 or more yata between January 1, 24 and December 31, 2024 and each calendar year thereafter. Once all 15 visits have been used, eligible card members may purchase additional Delta Sky Club visits including grab and go at per visit rate 50 per person using this card. Hindi ko alam kung hindi ko ba naiintindihan yung benefits nila or what. Basta yun ang pagkakaalam ko. I never had any problem with this before. Pin-resent ko yung boarding pass ko. I was denied access. Dinideny nga na dinideny access. Basta hindi ako pinapasok kasi nga basic economy lang ako even if I have the reserve card. Ang sabi naman sa akin on the other line, the reason why you didn't get an access or you were not allowed because you don't have your card physically. Ang sabi ng babae, the reason why she denied my access or sabihin ng lalaki hindi ako pinapasok not because I didn't have the card physically. Even if I have the Centurion card, even if I have the Delta Reserve, yung ticket ko basic economy. Tapos itong maepal naman tong visit na lalaki na to, na Hispanic, nagsisignal, I'm not gonna talk to you, I'm not because we're doing something that we don't like. Well, sino ba ngayon, sa panahon ngayon, ang walang social media? Of course, I need to take picture, I need to have proof, di ba? Kasi i-deny na naman nila yon. At ito naman ang sabi naman ng lalaki, na nakausap ko sa phone, I'm with her, it's because you don't have a physical card. Yung mga tao dito, napaka-bobo, hindi mo alam nila kung ano ginagawa nila, mga hampas lupa, mga hinayupak na yan. But anyway, yun nga. So, I comment down below guys, kung kailangan ko pa bang i-maintain yung Delta Sky Club membership ko, parang wala namang kakwenta-kwenta. Mga patay gutom na yan, Diyos ko. Ewan ko ba? Basta, yun na lang na yun. Pero nakakahiya. But even so, I still apologize to them. Kasi, di ba? So, yun lang guys. Hindi ko alam kung magko-complain ako. It's not because like, you have a hard day or what. Yung ugali mo, bastos ka na. Siguro ganun lang ang pagpapalaki sa'yo. Well, anyway, you cannot really judge someone. Pero, Delta Airlines is a good airlines pero ang mga customer service talaga nila mga racist at saka hindi maganda yung mga pag-uugali, especially in LA. So, thank you guys and comment down below if I still need to keep my card or not. Thank you so much and please do like and subscribe. Bye!